Get ready to witness the most insane double-floor motorhome ever built. Packed with jaw-dropping luxury, futuristic tech, and unmatched comfort, this beast redefines road travel like never before. Today we're diving into the most insane double-floor motorhome that's blowing everyone's mind. Imagine a rolling palace that not only offers unmatched comfort, but also a unique double-floor design, giving you extra space, hidden storage, and a level of luxury you won't find anywhere else. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious living area that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. The upper level offers panoramic windows, premium leather seating, and a full entertainment system that makes long journeys a pleasure. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring top-of-the-line appliances, a large refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and even a built-in coffee machine. Below, the second floor isn't just storage. It's a fully functional space with a private lounge, guest beds, and even a small workspace for those who like to travel and work. The design is incredibly clever, with every inch utilized to make life on the road as comfortable as possible. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, the master suite is pure luxury. You get a king-size bed, mood lighting, climate control, and a massive amount of wardrobe space. The en-suite bathroom rivals those in five-star hotels, with a walk-in shower, premium fixtures, and high-end finishes. Driving this double-floor motorhome is just as impressive. The cockpit is equipped with advanced navigation, adaptive cruise control, and panoramic cameras for easy maneuvering despite its size. The suspension system ensures a smooth ride, and the powerful engine delivers the performance needed to tackle any road, from highways to mountain passes. What really sets this motorhome apart is the feeling of freedom it offers. You're not just traveling, you're taking your home with you, without compromising on comfort, style, or functionality. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, a weekend getaway, or even living on the road full-time, this machine is ready to deliver an unforgettable experience. This double-floor design changes the game for motorhomes. It's not just about having more space. It's about rethinking how space is used to create a mobile lifestyle that's both luxurious and practical. From the outside, it commands attention with sleek lines and a modern finish. But it's the inside that truly leaves you speechless. If you've ever dreamed of traveling the world without leaving the comforts of home, this is the ultimate way to do it. This is Honest Auto Reviews, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the most insane double-floor motorhome, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing reviews.